friends, Running Kimono here, and in today's video, this is kind of like a story time sort of video. I know a lot of you appreciate and like these sort of videos, but I have been shopping a lot in the last 2 weeks, and I've seen quite a bit. I've been traveling away from where I live, going to stores and looking around and making deals happen. So I just thought I'd offer up a little story time of some shoppers just acting badly. And guess what? It is not extreme couponers acting badly. It's just, you know, customers who are just. One lady saw my haul and wanted to get the exact same haul, and I tried to explain how to do the deal. And the second one was a lady who thought she had clipped a coupon. She didn't. It was $1 off for one of these Arm& Hammers this week, and she held up the line and pretty much wanted the CEO of Walgreens on the phone. So we'll talk about that one secondly. So the first little story time. It was during the clearance event. The Purple Dot Home, which is a lot of these summer beachy themed dish towels, anything that's $1, was 37 cents last weekend. Right now it's 50 cents, and I'll show you the UPCs in a quick second. To give you the backstory of this one, on a Friday morning after I had finished my Walgreens video, I went out to just get a couple more of these dish towels. I got 10 of the microfiber smaller towels and then 10 of the larger towels at 37 cents each. I just can't help myself with this cute stuff, especially if you like to gift stockpile goods in the summer months, just throw one of those in. It's so cute. So I wanted to stock up. I did not clear out the store. The store had a huge display and nobody was buying the Purple Dot because I don't think they merchandised it very smartly. It was on a weird side cap near the summer stuff, and you guys know if you've been to the Dollar General. So I was at checkout and the cashier kept ringing this up and she's like, "Wow, you really found a good deal today." And I made this stupid mistake to say, "Yeah, there's a whole lot more left if you wanted to grab some." And she wanted some 37-cent dish towel, like who wouldn't? And here are the UPCs, guys. And there was a lady with a can of coffee right behind me watching, and she kept getting closer and closer, and she's like, "Those are 37 cents." I'm like, "Yeah." I'm like, "But it's only a certain one." So I'm still checking out and I'm paying with my debit card, so the cashier has 20 plus items to scan, and then I had other clearance items as well. So it's not just a simple like scan two things and leave. But this woman was really like into my haul, and so I said, "No, it's if you go over there, take a left." And I tried to walk her down the summer aisle, and I'm like, "It's 3 o'clock, halfway down the aisle. Like, move yourself in the 3 o'clock position." Sure enough, she was gone, and I don't know where she was gone. I didn't see her. I paid for my stuff using the debit card and all that stuff, and I'm like, "Oh well, I guess this lady left, or I don't know where she is," because I went to the summer area and I could not find her. And she comes back with an entire armful of dish towels. Like, her arms are filled with dish towels. And I looked down and she just went to the back of the store where they have like the home goods and grabbed every single dish towel that was there. And I looked down and I'm like, "Those are not the ones." And I pointed, I said, "See, it says Purple Dot." And that's what I was saying, Purple Dot. These are the ones that you have to grab off of this rack. So she takes all of her towels, guys. This is hilarious. Actually, it's not. And just throws them towards the bottom of a shelf where like 4 of them are on the floor. And there's only one cashier on a Sunday morning working the till at the front. So she's by herself. And I look at the lady. I'm like, "Maybe you should put those back on the racks where you got them. And there's like 4 on the floor, before you grab all of these." And she doesn't. She grabs all of the Purple Dot dish towels and then runs up to the front. And there's like half of this stuff all over the ground. And I'm like, "Oh, somebody will trip over it, another senior citizen, or the cashier that has 100 other things to do will have to clean up this mess." So I have my bags, have all my stuff. I grab everything and do a trip right back to the home goods stuff. And she just grabbed whatever. And this was just a shopper who like had no idea that things are categorized, summer, this, that, like she just didn't care. She just did whatever. And like, what if you tripped on one of those dish towels? Like, it's just but I did put everything back. I felt really bad for the cashier working by herself, a very nice cashier, and I'm like, she should not have to clean up this mess, because I felt partially responsible. And yeah, this shopper, and she was just like anyone in the store. They see an extreme couponer with, things ringing up for 37 cents. Wouldn't they want a piece of that? Of course. And then this woman just like destroyed the store. Not an extreme couponer, just a shopper. So like, I just thought that was ridiculous. And I tried to say to her, like, maybe we should put all this back then. And her idea was just to throw some of them on the floor, some on a bottom shelf. Like, I don't get that for the life of me. So, okay, so the second story is over at Walgreens, and this week the Arm & Hammer is $1.99. We have $1 digital. So for liquid, it's 99 cents. Once per store card. We all know the deal. It's fantastic. So this lady that was in the store, another senior, she knew about the $1 digital coupon and that she could get it for 99 cents. She had one detergent. She was only paying for one item, and she was at the front of the line. I was about 4 or 5 back. So whatever, I just get to the back of the line waiting. And there's like 4 other customers ahead of me and then her. So I'm like in the middle of this line that keeps growing. It's a busier store. The young cashier is trying to ring it up, and the lady's like, no, I'm supposed to have $1 off, so it's supposed to be 99 cents. She knew that. So, congratulations. And it wasn't coming off, and he didn't know what to do. So then he calls his manager. The manager didn't know what to do. The manager was trying to look for the coupon in her store card through the cash register. I've seen it done before. Some stores they can do that, but manager was having no luck. And then it gets weird. Somebody from pharmacy came by. So there's 3 people, and I am like in the middle of this like huge line that's like snaking right through past the photo counter, going to the cooler area where they have all the beverages. So the line is getting massive. There's so many people waiting. And I'm like, oh, this is getting to be crazy. And this lady's like, I'm only paying 99 cents. You guys have to figure this out. If not, I'm going to call the CEO of Walgreens. Like, it went really like that angry, and she's mad. Her arms are crossed, and she's huffing and puffing and mad, and they still can't get this thing to work for her. So I'm just like, wow, this is really crazy. So another person comes up from pharmacy. They don't open a second line to help other customers. It's just to help this one lady, and this has been going on for some time. They can't seem to help her out. They're trying this, trying that. And then all of a sudden, the second lady from pharmacy said, hey, can I see your phone? And then uses the little thing to scan the actual detergent, and then she's like, oh, you didn't load your coupon. And then she loads the coupon, they void the transaction, she gets it for 99 cents, and she's on her merry little way. There's no thank you, there's no acknowledgement of, oh, I made a mistake. So I wondered if she was still calling the CEO of Walgreens because she was so mad about paying that extra $1. 100 different ways you could deal with this. You could get a $1 post from the manager, you could call customer service. The $1 digital didn't come off. But just to say, like, I don't think the CEO would pick up your phone call for a missing $1 coupon, but it's funny how she went there like, this is exactly what I'm going to do. And the error was on her part. It wasn't the store. So that was also interesting too. And again, just a regular shopper. She had some knowledge of digital coupons, but again, didn't know how to load them. And this wasn't an extreme couponer, because extreme couponers would not just buy one detergent on a $1.99 week. We'd probably buy 5 or 6. Oh my gosh. So that's it for this video. I hope to see no more of this in the next bit, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.